that was supposed to bring harm to them, the Lord says, it shall not be so. For what the enemy has meant for evil, I will turn it around into your favor. Say in the Spirit of God. I hear the Spirit of God say, I rule over the nations of the earth. The Spirit says that in 2026, behold, watch and see that there shall come a sudden sickness upon the earth. It will be plague-like in nature. For the Spirit of the Lord says, I have seen the wicked agenda of the evil one, but the Spirit says you are exempted, you are highly protected, says the Spirit of the living God.
2 cases of hantavirus have been formally confirmed after 3 people died in a suspected outbreak on a cruise ship off the coast of West Africa. A British crew member requires urgent medical care and a passenger from the UK remains in a critical but stable condition. The World Health Organization says it has identified a total of 7 cases in the outbreak.